Hi students, today's topic of discussion is basically first of all we have to take a quick recap of what we studied in digital modulation technique, and then I will discuss you the 8 BPSK scheme and 16 BPSK scheme today. Okay, so as of now we have studied different type of digital modulation techniques like the ASK technique. So this is the overview, this is the introduction part of the digital modulation technique, and after that I discussed the different varieties of the names of the different modulation techniques like amplitude shift keying, then frequency shift keying FSK, then phase shift keying PSK. So these are the three main types of digital modulation techniques: ASK, FSK and PSK. Then I gradually discussed you what is ASK technique. Okay, amplitude shift. This is a short overview of ASK signal. This is the ASK main signal carrier wave, and this is the ASK modulated wave. Okay, whenever that 1 is there in the digital data stream, I am getting high amplitude. Whenever zeros are there, I am getting no amplitude. So the amplitude is being modulated. This is the modulated wave. So this is the basically ASK scheme. In FSK scheme, see, in FSK scheme, the second number 3, this is the FSK scheme. So in FSK scheme, for 1 digital data 1, there is one kind of frequency FC1. For digital data 2, that means 0. Okay, 1 and 0, these are the two options. So whenever in the binary stream there is 1 1, then the modulated wave, okay, so the FSK modulated wave, it will have a FC1 frequency. Whenever data will have 0, it will have FC2 frequency. It will have FC2 frequency. So this is the FSK signal, modulated FSK signal. Now this is the PSK signal. The third one is the PSK signal. So for PSK signal phase shift keying, so the phase is getting changed. Okay, so this is for 1 I am getting this wave, and after that this is basically BPSK scheme, binary PSK, 2 PSK scheme. Okay, now you are in a position to understand 2 PSK, 4 PSK, 8 PSK and 16 PSK, 4 types of schemes and so on. You can increase the PSK scheme number. Okay, so now basically this diagram, this is basically BPSK scheme, binary PSK, because binary PSK means total phase is 360 degree. Here PSK means phase is changing. The frequency is not changing, the frequency of the wave, whatever the phase is changing here. Whatever the phase is, the frequency is remaining fixed and the amplitude is remaining fixed. Okay, the phase is only changing. So whenever 1 is there, up to this wave has come up to this much. Now it is in the main binary stream there is a 0. Now it will change the phase. So it will exactly change its phase 180 degree. Total is 360 degrees, so if I divide 360 degree by 2, I will get 180 degree. So there will be a complete 180 degree phase shift. That means after this portion, there must be this. If it continues, then it should be like this. But as there is a phase shift, from this position to this position, there is a complete 180 degree shifting. So this is basically 180 degree shifting. Whenever the binary data is changing from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, there is a complete 180 degree phase shifting. Okay, so it was tending to go like this, but finally it has shifted 180 degree because the transition is from 1 to 0 in the binary stream. Okay, what is your binary stream? This is your binary stream. So 1 to 0, then once again another transition from 0 to 1. So whenever transitions are there, see 0 to 1, 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, these are the transition points. There will be complete 180 degree shifting of the wave. Okay, so this is basically 2 PSK scheme. Binary scheme obviously, so it is basically 2 PSK scheme. Okay, so from 1 it is getting 0, that means transition is there. So there will be from normal continuous wave there is a 180 degree shifting. So it will continue and continue for 2 zeros. After that, see from this is another transition point. If you see the data, this portion, if you see, this is basically 1001. So this is the transition in between 0 and 1. So if this is a transition in between 0 and 1, there will be another 180 degree shifting. So this, the normal inclination here, see the normal inclination is this, but here is transition from 0 to 1. So there is a transition, that's why 0 to 0 is not a transition, that's why this is continuous. 100, that was a string. So for 0 0 no transition, this is continuous, but here from 0 to once again 1, there is another transition. So it will basically disrupt its normal continuation, and it will be shifted exactly 180 degree. So here also there is another transition. So you have to basically consider the transition points. 1001, then 001. That means here there is another transition point. So in that transition point also there will be a shifting. Okay, so this is basically two BPSK. Binary PSK, obviously this is PSK, or this is called BPSK. Okay, binary PSK. Okay, so binary PSK, in your syllabus there is 8 BPSK, 16 BPSK also. Okay, if you go to your syllabus, let me just take it. In your syllabus you have, just a minute. Yes, in your syllabus there is basically ASK scheme, FSK scheme, PSK scheme, BPSK, QPSK, then 8 BPSK, 16 BPSK. So those are all included in your syllabus. Okay. So today I will take a overview of those things, and I will introduce the 8 BPSK and 16 BPSK scheme. So before that you need to know what is basically 2 BPSK and 4 BPSK. 2 BPSK and 4 BPSK is also there. So this normal PSK, whatever normal PSK is written, it is basically 2 BPSK, because there is a two changes in 360 degree total phase. If you divide it by 2, it will be 180 degree. So there will be exactly 180 degree phase change from this point to this point, exactly 180 degree phase shift. So this is basically 2 BPSK. Normal PSK means the 2 BPSK. Okay. So this is the 2 BPSK scheme. So after that I discussed in detail the ASK scheme. Okay, there is a brief discussion of ASK has been given. Okay, so this is the brief discussion. Whenever the signal is there, I am getting whenever 1 is there in the data stream, then I am getting the signal of constant amplitude, and whenever symbol is 0, data stream is 0, this amplitude is being attenuated. Okay, so this is your carrier wave, this is your data stream, and whenever ones are there, the signal is passing, this signal is passing, otherwise the signal is attenuated. This is the amplitude modulation, normal amplitude ASK scheme. Okay, so ASK scheme, how to generate ASK scheme, ASK signal, then how to recover the ASK signal detection, how to detect in the receiver side. Okay, generation is always in the transmission side and detection is in the receiver side. So what is coherent type of detection, what is non-coherent type of detection, we already discussed all those things. Okay, non-coherent detection we discussed. Okay, so after that we have jumped into the BP binary ASK. Binary, this is the binary ASK scheme. ASK means binary ASK. Okay, binary ASK scheme. So after binary ASK scheme, we have actually discussed the phase shift keying, normal phase shift keying. Okay, so this is C 180 degree. Whenever for symbol 1 to 0 there is a transition, it will be basically 180 degree shifting. So normal PSK or BPSK, that is basically 2 PSK scheme. Okay, because 360 by 2 equal to 180 degree, and there is 180 degree exact, there is 180 degree exact shifting. Okay, so this is basically 2 PSK scheme. Okay, so after the 2 PSK scheme, okay, so once again we discuss how to generate the PSK, generation of the binary PSK. Okay, 2 PSK means this is basically 2 BPSK scheme. So how to generate the BPSK, 2 BPSK, how to detect the 2 BPSK signal, and what is differential phase shift keying, DPSK. Okay, how to generate the DPSK, how to detect the DPSK, everything we have already discussed in detail. Okay, so these are all basically included in your syllabus. Okay, the normal PSK scheme, that means 2 PSK scheme, DPSK scheme, okay, ASK scheme. So those schemes has been already covered. Okay, so after that in our last class, last 2 classes, consecutive classes, we have discussed the frequency shift keying, FSK scheme. Okay, frequency shift scheme, how the frequency is changing. See, for symbol 1 there is one frequency, symbol 2 there is another frequency. Okay, so we have basically discussed those schemes. Okay, the frequency is getting changed. As the frequency is getting changed, there is no change in amplitude, there is no change in phase. It is continuous, though it is deformed, because the frequency is getting changed time to time. Okay, whenever 1 is there, see, for 1 there is one frequency, for zeros there is another frequency, for 1 another frequency, this frequency, the same frequency, in this way. Okay, so we have already discussed all those things, and how to the power spectral analysis, after the generation of FSK signal, then detection of the FSK signal. Those things has already non-coherent type of FSK scheme, coherent type of FSK scheme, everything. Okay, so everything we have been already discussing. Non-coherent detection, FSK signal, how to non-coherently detect. Okay. So coherently, how to coherent detection of ASK binary scheme and non-coherent detection of binary scheme. So all those things have been already covered nicely. Okay, so after that we have basically shifted in our last class. As per I remember, I have discussed the quadri-phase shift keying. So this is also PSK. See, this is not FSK. This is PSK scheme. That means BPSK, binary PSK, 2 PSK scheme I have seen where there is exactly 180 degree, 360 degree divided by 2. That means 180 degree phase shift. This quadri-phase shift scheme, that means 360 by 4. That means 90 degree phase shift only. That means whenever there is a transition in between 1 to 0 or 0 to 1 in the binary stream, okay, then in the modulated signal, PSK signal, there will be exactly 90 degree. Instead of 180 degree, there will be only 90 degree phase shift. Okay, so that is the difference in between the 2 PSK scheme and the QPSK scheme, which is basically the 4 PSK scheme. Because 90 degree shifting is there, so 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. 290 degrees makes the 360 degree total phase. Okay, so there is actually 4 that means 4 phases included, 4 phase positions in the total 360 degree phase. Okay, that's why it is called 4 PSK scheme. Another name is 4 PSK scheme. Okay, so this scheme we already discussed very nicely. Okay, and it is I already told you, this is basically M-AD signaling. The general form is M-AD signaling. Okay, so here we have used for quadri phase, we have used M value 4. The M value is exactly 4. That is, this is 4 AD signaling. Okay, the normal 2 PSK signaling, that is 2 AD signaling. M value is 2. M value is 2 means M equal to the power n. If you put the M value 2 equal to 2 to the power 1, that means 1